Hello, this is Troy Deerling in Sedona, Arizona. We're going to go over how to use Docusign to digitally sign a real estate contract. It's actually pretty simple. Once we get the contract to you, it's going to be via email. If there's two people, the first person to get it will sign it, and then the contract goes to the second person. So second person won't see it until the first person has signed it. So let's go ahead and go through this. Okay, you've got the email right here. And we see it's from Susan Deerling via Docusign, and we're going to review the documents. And it says Susan Deerling sent you a document to review and sign. So let's review those. Okay, okay, we agreed to electronic records and signatures, and then we're going to hit continue. We're now on the Docusign website. You do not need an account to sign a contract. Also featured here is you can print this if you want to print it out and read it. You can download it if you just want to go through it. We recommend that. But when you're ready to start, you go ahead and go to start here, and it's going to run you through. And the first place you come to, right here, you can see initial. Okay, we got Thurston Howell III signing this contract. So we're going to adopt this signature. You can change the style too if you want to, from, just pick something else out. So we're going to go ahead and adopt their signature. Then it keeps going through the next one, and we need another initial here, and we're going to continue to do this until we're done. Like I said, you've already read this, so this is just the formality of signing it. Call us at any time if you do have questions. Our number is 928-301-4949. And here's the big part where you sign it. And when we hit finish, it's going to go to the next person right here. Right here. So we'll hit finish. We're going to say no thanks because we don't want an account. If you do want a free account, they'll store the documents for you and keep them encrypted. Next. So the documents arrived at the next signing party. This is going to be the wife. Same process, just review the document, and then when it's done, once she completes it, then all the documents come back to us, and we can move forward with the contract at that point. So if you have any questions about any of this, please give us a call. We're happy to answer any questions. We can't answer legal questions, but we can answer questions about the contract.